Hello, I'm Connie. I am the creator and the author of Color Me Musical, and that is a piano teaching method, a series of books for beginners as young as age 3 up to about age 8. This is lesson 1 from the first book. The first book is Color Me Musical Adagio, book 1. It says Adagio piano book right here, and it'll have a green circle. All the piano books are green. The theory books are yellow. There is a link to this series of books on Amazon in the link below, and it's listed in order that you would need to get them. So get this first book, and this is going to take you through that book with any youngster that you're working with. All right, let's take a look at the first page in the book. All right, this is a dragon's cave. Do you see how it goes up one side and down the other? Just like if we find two black keys on the piano and we go up one, down the other, kind of looks like a cave. Now, we have to take the top part off. That's not on the piano. The piano just looks like this, two black keys. All right, if you take the top off, that's what they look like on the piano. Okay, this is David. He is the dragon, and he's always purple. Look, David lives inside his cave on the piano keys. Can you find a David on the piano? Go ahead and try to play that note on the piano. All right, now we're going to play David the Dragon with your right hand. Here's a picture of your right hand and the pointer finger. Okay, put your right hand and play Dave on the piano. Now we're going to do a song. This song is called David the Dragon. So we got the right finger and we've got it on the right key. Every time you see Dave, that little picture of him, you're going to say Dave, 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 Dave. So here it's what it'll sound like. Dave, 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 Dave. Okay, pause the video and play that on the piano. Okay, now we're going to go to the next song. David the Dragon and the Rest. When you see a rest, you don't play anything. You turn your hand up so it's facing the ceiling and say rest because it's silent for that count. So this is what will sound like. It starts right here on David. Dave, 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 rest. Dave, 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 rest. Okay, stop the video and try that on the piano. Rest, David, rest. Look, he's got a nice hammock and he's taking a nap. All right, here we go. Lots of Daves and lots of rests. Dave, rest. Dave, rest. I'm going to let you play the rest of the song. I bet you can figure it out. Now, the resting dragon. I'm not even going to start this one for you. I bet you can figure it out. It's all mixed up. Sometimes there's one Dave, sometimes there's three, sometimes there's two rests, sometimes there's one. So you really have to watch close. Okay, if you would like some worksheets and some digital games that go along with this and teach the concepts, there's one in the link below. Also, there's plenty on my Patreon account. So if you're interested in getting lessons with me or more worksheets and games along your piano journey, go ahead and check that out again in the link below. Happy practicing.